Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Travel Food and Nature. On today's vlog, I would like to show you one of the favorite tourist spot in the city of Guwahati.
Guwahati Dighalipukhuri Park.
Yes, so I hope you will enjoy this video and watch till the end. Please share, subscribe and like this video. So let me start. Guwahati Dighalipukhuri Park is located near Guwahati railway station and it's a very beautiful park. You have children park and boating facilities as well. The tickets are of very nominal price. So in this video, this is the main gate of the Dighalipukhuri Park and you will see lot of stalls for kids toys and food items, fast food items starting from ice cream, pani puri, momos and lot of small items you can buy. You have a good space for car parking as well and it's situated right near the main road, so it's quite means easily accessible and you can try a lot of good foods in a very cheap and nominal price. And I have tried gola and I visited with my kid and my spouse, so they have enjoyed some delicious ice creams here. So let me book the tickets now, and once I enter the park I will show you how it looks like. So the entry fees for adult is 10 rupees and for children it's 5 rupees. After entering you will see I Love Guwahati and on the right side you will see the children park where we have all the playing facilities for children. You have slides and the area is quite good and spacious. So here it is, here's my son Jian. He is enjoying playing here. He just finished his exams, so he has come to enjoy this weekend playing in this park. And we have some good statue and structures here, and it's basically a lake. Dighalipukhuri is like in Assamese the name Dighalipukhuri means it's a like long lake, and here it is the statue of the famous Bhupen Hazarika, so one of the world renowned singer, and he signifies Assamese culture and music. And obviously I cannot miss nature in my blog, so you can see a lot of good flowers starting from red roses, and here we have daisies and marigolds, so it's started blooming now. And here you can see boating, people are enjoying boating here, and I will also go for boating now and show you how and what the price for boating. And just on the other side you can see a war memorial kind of a park from Indian Army. You will see an old aircraft as well as a army tank, and we have the High Court of Guwahati located on the other side. So let me zoom it for you, and here it is. So you can see that white building, dome like structure, so that is the Guwahati High Court, the old Guwahati High Court building. And here you will see lot of old trees, so ecologically it is a very good space and to roam around and enjoy your free time. So this is the entrance, and they have this children park, so I just click some photos near the I Love Guwahati, the photo point you can say, and people like to enjoy selfies with this. Here it is.
সম্পূৰ্ণ মাথাটো ওলালে এইখিনিতে আছে এই ঘূৰি আছে এই আৰু মুড়ি চুৰি থাকিলে ভাল বেয়া লাগে এইটো চেহেৰা পাতি কি নোহোৱা হ'ল খাব নাপায় নাই মাছ চুৰি খাব নোৱাৰে খাদ্য বুলি ভাবিছে এখন কান্দি আছে
After 30 minutes of boating session, we decided to visit Momaghar, which is a 30 years old restaurant in Guwahati. It's very famous for its momos, and we love pork momos, so we have ordered pork momo. And these from my childhood days, like I like momos of Momoghar. Here it comes the momos. You will get 5 pieces of momos for 80 rupees with red chutney and mayonnaise and with some very clear soup, and it's very delicious. So that's how we have ended our day. Thanks for watching this video.